performance, lightweight, and the most economical magnetic drilling machine ever made in Germany. From BDS Maschinen. Presenting the all-new MABasic 200 magnetic core drilling machine. From the Profi Basic category. High performance, low price. The MABasic 200 is now with all-new attached cooling tank. MABasic 200 is for the professionals who do not want to compromise on quality and performance because of the pricing. With the powerful German-made motor, MABasic 200 performs up to 32mm diameter core drilling with annular cutters. The robust motor makes it possible to drill up to 55mm cutting depth. Handy and easy. Also twist drilling up to 13mm diameter. Simply better drilling. 900-watt powerful motor, specially with a gearbox. Safe arrangement of switches. Robust dovetail slide system. 19mm Weldon direct arbor. Permanent internal lubrication. New integrated cooling tank. Equipped with a robust gearbox unit. Comes with a powerful electromagnet. The MABasic 200 lightweight, robust and economical portable magnetic core drilling machine. Made in Germany by BDS Maschinen.